Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Plant Her Seed with your girl Nikita. Today I'm bringing to you a little haul that I picked up from Burlington. And I think all of these pieces, except for maybe one piece, were all on clearance. And who doesn't love a good clearance sale? Trust me, if you're a single mom out there and you have learned how to stretch that coin, because that's how I was, I had to stretch it. And I need to get a lot of bang for my buck. And you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to be cute. So let's dive in and let's let you see what I got. Okay, so first up guys, I have these little black crop pants and they probably are like gacho length, capris, whatever. And it has a little sash, little belt with them. Just some simple black. You have these pockets, but they're not really pockets, they're sewn together. But they're not, you know, pockets, but the front has pockets. Always love pockets on everything. And it has a little belt. And guys, these were $5.49. Come on now. So I don't know what I'm gonna pair these with yet, but you know, I just, you know, for $5.49, I'm gonna pair this with a whole lot of stuff and it's gonna be cute. Found this little t-shirt that says happy. It has these rhinestones on it. This shirt was on clearance for $7.69. And I have an idea of another piece that I have in this little haul that I want to pair this with, but I will definitely film that video separate from this one to show you how I paired all of these pieces together. I think this is my favorite piece in the haul. And this was the one that wasn't on clearance, but it was $14.99. It's this long black and white like geoprint skirt. I cannot wait to pair this. I'm telling you, this is going to turn heads when whatever room you walk in, whatever event you're wearing this to, it's going to turn heads. Trust me, I love this skirt. It has the belt. I love it. I can't wait to pair this. I cannot wait. I'm telling you, I can't wait to pair this. And then I'm a girl that likes to shop out of season. So I always buy winter pieces in the summertime because they're marked down. But I got this cute little, this is an express dress. And it has the sash tie. And when I tried it on, you can either wear the sash in the front or the back. But if you wear it in the back and you have a tiny waist and some curves, it's gonna accentuate everything. I love this about this dress. This dress was $10.39. Like I said, you know, this is a winter piece, but I cannot wait to wear this and do a video to show you how I wore it and what shoe I'm gonna pair it with or boot or whatever I'm gonna do with it. But I love it and it just fits so well. When I tried it on, I was like, ooh girl, body. This next piece that I got is like this teal skirt. And this is actually an H&M skirt that I found at Burlington. This skirt was $5.19. It was originally $40 at H&M. $5.19 from Burlington. It's just this cute little, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like the poodle skirts from back in the day. But I just love it. I can't wait to wear this. I can't wait to pair it with something and show you how I did it. Quality, the material on this skirt is phenomenal. I can't wait to wear this. I can't wait to style it and let you guys see what I did with it. I just have this little black shirt here. It's a kind of a thicker material, but you can wear it in the summer or the winter, I think, the fall or whatever, probably with a little jacket or sweater or something. But this shirt was like $9.09. I just love it. I love the sleeves on it. And this is just another piece that I just cannot wait to style this. I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm going to pair this up. But in that video will be coming up next, of course. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I like to stretch my coin. I love clothes. I love to look good. I believe that first impressions are the only impressions. And I'm gonna look good whenever I walk out my door. I don't care if I'm going to Walmart, Kroger, whatever. I'm gonna always be cute and I'm gonna be within my budget of being cute. But anyway, please like this video, thumbs up this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the pieces and let me know where you find some of your clearance bargain deals from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.